Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about differential equations. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, we have y, and first derivative of y we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that this one next to y, this is for integrating factor. The integration of this one, we have ln of 1 plus x to the power of 3. So this one we simplify and we got this one. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one you got number 2. This one we have 3x squared. So we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y multiplied by 1 plus x to the power of 3. The integration of 2dx, you got 2x, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.